Long shelf life foods for power outages and grid failures. Preparing for power outages and grid failures is essential for ensuring safety and maintaining nutrition during unexpected disruptions. Stocking up on long shelf life foods provides peace of mind and practical sustenance when refrigeration and regular grocery access are unavailable. Choosing foods that are durable, nutritious, and easy to store ensures you are ready for emergencies. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the lists. 1. Canned proteins. Canned meats, fish, and poultry last for years and provide essential protein. They require no refrigeration and are convenient for quick meals. 2. Dried legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas can be stored in airtight containers for decades. They are versatile and high in protein and fiber. 3. Freeze-dried foods. Freeze-dried fruits, vegetables, and complete meals maintain nutrients and flavor. They are lightweight and only need water to prepare. 4. Whole grains, rice, oats, quinoa, and barley last for decades when vacuum sealed. They are calorie-dense and form the base for many emergency meals. 5. Shelf-stable dairy alternatives. Powdered milk, evaporated milk, and protein powders provide essential nutrients without refrigeration. 6. Nut butters and seeds. Peanut butter, almond butter, and sunflower seeds are energy-rich, high in protein, and store well for years. 7. Oils and fats. Coconut oil, ghee, and other shelf-stable oils provide calories and healthy fats that support long-term energy needs. 8. Emergency food bars and MREs. Pre-packaged meals and bars are durable, nutritionally balanced, and perfect for situations with limited cooking options. Being prepared with long shelf life foods for power outages and grid failures ensures your family stays nourished and safe during emergencies. A combination of canned, dried, and freeze-dried staples, along with emergency rations, creates a resilient and practical food stockpile. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? With these lost superfoods in your pantry, you'll be able to keep your family well-fed during the darkest of times. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.